Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2010 GMC Yukon Denali. This model is an XL. We're just going to look up and down the panels. Any signs of dents, dings, scratches, do our best to point those out. This does have a real nice set of step assists. Overall, driver's side looks good. A little bit of a rub there. Overall exterior looks really nice. Typically you'll see some rubbing and scratching at the rear, normal wear and tear, especially on SUVs where the cargo area is used a bit more than in cars. Looks good, still have real good tread left. Taking a look at the interior, you do have full power for the driver's seat. Everything is a nice perforated leather. 91,910 is your current mileage. AM, FM, XM radio, does have navigation, dual climate control, nice wood grain trim. All the flooring is going to be black. Taking a look now on the second row, we do have captain's chairs in the second row. Real nice for that pass through to the back seat. You do have rear climate control functions as well as all your auxiliary ports there. For your rear seat entertainment. And then easy pass through to that third row. Third row looks great. All the flooring looks really nice back here. Taking a look now in the back. Now this does have the third row in its upright position, so you still have a good amount of cargo space. Very easily, 2 flips, and that will get you a little extra cargo storage space there. Taking one more look from the passenger side now. Nice look around in here. Now this actually does have third row DVD entertainment as well as second row. Real nice feature for those additional passengers. We'll finish up in the passenger seat. Full power for the passenger as well as driver. One more look over the seating surfaces. We'll take one more fly through the back. And that'll wrap up your 2010 GMC Denali XL.